Ready, steady, read with Eddie. Boom! Have you wonder why Google's what's the history of Google? Well, this book is definitely yours. From idea to Google. This is idea. Oh my God! Now might be thinking, well, Google Chrome, Google Gmail, whatever. And this book to you from an idea. It's always an idea to Google. I never know that. And you can see that Google Maps, Google Satellites. So this book, you can see here, that's the name of the Google. So that teaches you all kinds of stuff. Like if you ever wanted to know, like, oh wait, what was the invention of Google again? This book will teach you all about. And you can also see at the back, this book, how it teaches you lots of stuff. Some of the stuff it teaches you. So this book, I really recommend it. Because like, literally, it's like so good. It teaches you what was the history of Google, who made it, who was the CEO, why is it so popular and other stuff. Like, Google is not World Wide Web. It's a website on World Wide Web. So if you want to learn what was the invention of Google, this book is definitely yours. Okay, so now let's move on. From idea to, this is just a sneak peek, do not approach. From idea to Disney, Nike, and Lego. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever read that series before? If you do, write down in the comments below what's your favorite book. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Whoa!